Retainer wear after Invisalign treatment. This is what we recommend for best practice. If you want to do it absolutely gold star, you could wear your retainers the same way you wear your aligners, day and night, 20 hours a day, only take them out when you're eating and so on, just like your aligners. If you do that for 3 months every day, and then for 3 months every night, so a total of 6 months, then your teeth will have pretty much settled by that time. Some people say they don't really want to wear the retainers during the daytime after they finish their aligners, and I would also be happy if you wore your retainers 6 months every night, and then you keep wearing your retainers obviously at least sort of 3-4 nights per week. That means there's some nights you might not be wearing the retainers, but do not leave the retainers out for a couple of weeks. You will feel that the teeth possibly try to move again, and it can feel quite tight. So if, let's say, you have not worn your retainer for a couple of days after the 6 months and so on have passed, and you feel they're feeling a bit tight again, that's a sign of that your teeth want to move again. So then you could go back to wearing your retainers every night again if you like. But normally wearing the retainer sort of 3-4 nights a week is safe to do.